bossing ha. Talong bossing, buhay pa oh. Talong bossing, buhay pa bossing. Tutok natin.
Look at the Power Java stare at us. He's pretending we're not. He's not. Nay.
Ayun oh. Wow. See that? Look at that. Yeah. So yun guys, may pupuntahan tayong resort na around 2 hours lang yung biyahe from Metro Manila. Bagay na bagay to pag may kasama kayong kids. Siguradong mag-e-enjoy sila. May makikita silang birds, animals, and siguradong magsasawa sila kaka-adventure and mag-swimming. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa resort, daan muna tayo sa Subic Market. Kasi gusto naming bumili ng mangga, saka mamili din ng kung ano-ano. Pero mas malayo lang siya ng konti sa pupuntahan nating resort. Mga around 2 hours and 20 minutes yung biyahe. After nun, mag-brunch tayo sa Texas Joe, then mamili lang tayo ng konti sa duty free ng Subic.
It's raining again. Man, I miss it.
So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Subic. So kung first time nyo lang makadaan dito, ingat lang kayo sa mga road signs, pati sa mga blinking stoplight. Kasi may quit yung traffic rules dito. And may end cap pala dito.
Back to Manila.
First, this spot. There's a room. We have, but there's a key on the corner that no one will notice if they will get. There's a buffet, but the buffet said don't go where it
25. Yan.
Here, Kobe fish oh. Ayan, fish. You want fish diba in your next trip? Ayan, there you go, fish. Sige. Sige, sige. Pili ka nga, baby. Tiga mo ako, okay? Hindi tayo magluluto. Uy, Kobe, don't do... What more? Oh, yun. So yun guys, may pa-pre-taste pala si ate. Nagustuhan ng bata yung mangga. Ito pala yung karinderya ng Subic Market. Next time baka dito kami kumain kasi mukhang masarap eh. Nung pagpasok namin dito, naamoy kagad namin yung mga niluluto nila. Ang sarap. So, next naman na destination is pupunta tayong Texas Joe para mag-brunch.
This is the last.
Morning. I remember that. Hi guys! Kung nagustuhan nyo nga pala yung video namin, please like and subscribe. Tsaka paki-comment na rin kung taga saan kayo para makapag-hello naman ako. Salamat! Ayun guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa Texas Joe para kumain. Pasensya na medyo madilim dito. Ganito kasi talaga yung ambience nila. So hindi ko alam kung mabibidyoan ko nang maayos yung menu nila. Pakipost nyo na lang kung interested kayo. Pero for me, ang masarap orderin dito is yung spare ribs tsaka baby back ribs nila na roast. Masarap siya tsaka marami yung servings niya. Pagkatapos pala namin kumain, si Mrs. mag-grocery sa duty free. Ako naman natry ko tumakas para bumili ng damit kasi mura yung damit dito eh.
You arrive at Samantala Farm and Resort. Your destination will be on your right.
So yun guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa resort. Medyo maulan nga lang. Yung name pala ng resort is Sinagtala Farm Resort. Yung hotel naman na tutuluyan natin is Magara Hotel. Yung hotel na to, bago lang daw, 2024 lang nagbukas. So hindi pa siya tapos. May tinatayo pa daw na pool dito sa loob ng hotel. Yung mga room pala maganda, modern tsaka bago pa. Pero nagkamali ako, nakabook kami sa second floor. Nagpalipat ako sa first floor. So wag niyo ako tutularan kasi maganda pala yung view ng balcony sa second floor.
Apat.
Whoa! I'm happy there's no litter around here. It's beautiful, but I'm scared. Beautiful.
How was it?
Oh, I love lotion. A place where I can write my journal. I am no good. Put my journal and stuff. Yes, I can too. Yo, there's circle here.
You like it?
What's this place?
Uy.
Is this for our rumor?
Hi Kobe. Hi Kobe, hi Brian. Hi. Hello,
Hello.
kids.
Where did you come from?
Now go to
Thank you. Oh, let's go. Go, go. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk. I'll video you.
Are we
Careful.
gonna
Sige,
pull?
to the right. Yes, yes.
Right. Right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here, here, honey, honey.
So which one is until 5 p.m.? We have to do 5 p.m. first.
We will wait. Here tayo. We will ask muna if you can do the rides. Okay?
Why did try this, try that? How much feet? No, I want to be the only one.
4 feet lang na. It's not, resorts and hotels are not allowed to have high, Hey, be careful. Here tayo.
Mga adventure rides, ma'am.
But I want to.
So, ito po yung ating mga combo package. So, yung sa kanila po, bali, timbang tayo.
I want to go. You have to
You
wait.
have to wait, please.
Wow.
Okay,
30.
so, pwede na po sa kanya yung ating sky bridge only.
Skybridge.
Yes.
Ano yun?
Hanging bridge kami yun. Size, only walking.
Walking. Hanging siya.
Apo.
And you? 42. Oh my gosh.
4 to 5.
So, bike, bridge, swing, and zipline.
So you can do almost everything. Ganda ng diction ni Kuya.
So, ito yung ating mga combination of package, ma'am. So, we have all ride package 1. So, sa package 1 namin, ma'am, 900 po siya. So, 5 activity na po
I'll
siya,
ride
ma'am.
bridge with you.
And then,
I'll do
so sa
the
Magara
short
sila no,
short
ma'am. So
so
sa
I can
Magara
see
Residence,
it.
ino-offer lang po nila is only all-ride package. But yun po is 750, ma'am. So sa amin is 900. So yung sa mga bata po kasi, ma'am, hindi po nila ma-avail yung iba kasi nga po ito po ni sir, medyo nasa limit po siya. So ito po, meron din tayong package 2. So sa package 2 naman, ma'am, bali with car truck lang po siya. So sa with car truck namin po, bali 1-3. So 6 na activity na po siya. And kung sakali man po na ayaw nila ng iba activity, we have this one. Sa choose to ride po natin, discounted tayo ng 100 pesos sa dalawang activity na yun, ma'am. Basta kabuuan po ng 2 rides combo, less 100 pesos tayo. And then for the 3 rides combo naman po, sa 3 rides combo, discounted tayo ng 150, ma'am. So, ang possible na sa kanya is the bridge and the car truck. And
Paano ba yung bridge? Like, literally maglalakad lang?
yes, ma'am,
This
this
one?
one mo.
So, maglalakad lang siya?
Yes, only walking. Pero ma'am, may kakaiba siyang thrill kasi the more na mas marami, the more na mas magalaw.
Oh my God.
Pero kung tatlo lang kayo or dalawa lang sila, medyo stable naman po siya.
Bakit kayo?
Ano kasama natin? Zip line.
Zip, bike, bridge, swing, and aerial walk. Aerial walk. Ito po. Kailangan naka-proper attire po tayo dyan kasi po yun po is obstacle course na tumatagal na
Mas medyo muulan.
I think that's the way more times.
Hey,
This is so deep.
is it deep?
Yeah.
Ang ganun. Oh. Okay, wait. Hold your breath. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! You're almost there! Almost there! Galing! Ewan ko dyan. Nice! Nice one, boy. Should have kept going, Kobe. So yun guys, ito pala yung pangalawang infinity pool ng resort. Medyo maulan nga lang kaya hindi ko na to mabivideoan. Next day na tayo. Tapos, yung anak ko pala baka mag-alala kayo kasi maulan. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi sanay na sanay yan maligo sa ulan sa amin. Palagi nilang ginagawa yan.
Hey, Auntie Kobe. I thought I saw you like being in a couple seconds. It'll be so easy to sneak inside there. Is that a monkey or a bird? So cool. Look at the deer having.
Good morning. Here, number 3. Let's go to number 3 first.
But where are we from number 2? Today, or is that? Is it this one we have the car? Dad, what's those wheels?
Walk first a little bit. What?
What's with the wheels?
The what?
The wheels.
Wheels. I did not see it, sorry.
Is it called?
So, wait. So, this is where your cart go, bro. Hi.
Hello. Can't believe the mountain is so
Okay.
beautiful.
How does it fly?
30 seconds?
Yeah, around 30 seconds. It's 500 meters long.
Oh, just like Spider-Man. I'll close my eyes for 10 seconds. I'll open my eyes for 20 seconds. To finally stop my fear of heights. Oh, look at that! I'm kind of getting tired of it. Yes, fear of heights.
Let's see the horse. Ayun no, the ducks.
Where?
They're here again.
Oh, it's the Dad, I want to adopt them. I actually really want to group. Dad, I really want to tell you something.
I hope so.
Whenever I remember the sky thing, it makes me feel nauseous. Okay, so now I can
Not sure.
Where's my shoes wet now?
Let's do this later.
That's too hard.
Oh, this is the aerial walk.
I wish it's just like Gundam Blade and Fallen Town. I gotta do this one because I'm not gonna fall down that hard. This one will make me fall down that hard. Are you just that crazy? I don't want to die yet. If you will fall down, if you right hit this part here in your head. Oh, PM. Okay, we can tell scary stories. We're gonna have to do it on the pool. Anything special about go touring? Dad.
Wait lang, Kobe.
Dad. Dad, there are giant ants here.
Yeah, just
They got in my back.
what?
I think. I hate monkeys. They're cute. They are scary. Yeah, they just want to steal like a robber. And then steal like a robber again. And then try to eat your life and we kill you and then you and then make you
That's so
hold the
extreme.
telephone and hold it to you.
That I'm not sure as well.
Why are horses so scary?
Oh, the goose, Kobe.
Dad, how do llamas look like? Dad, how do llamas look like? They look like
So that in Minecraft, right?
what?
They like have a funny face. Oh, look at that. Look, you see the crow? There, oh.
Oh yeah.
So big.
I only see the.
You know?
see it. I
And the
see
coconut
it.
tree leaves.
Oh yeah, I see it. Cacao.
We try ano?
Don't annoy him. He has a good memory. Because
I know.
memories bring back memories.
Wait until he
But
flies. Almost. Ayun, oh. Wow. See that?
It's amazing.
Oh, yan pa.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah.
Why is it?
So yun guys, marami palang ibon dito, kaya matutuwa talaga yung anak niya. Kaya ng umaga, may lumipad lang sa akin ng mabilis. Hindi ko na video eh, sayang. Kulay blue na ibon, tapos ang tingkad na pagkaka-blue niya, ang ganda.
They're looking at us. They're so scared.
They will like that.
My
Oy, oy, Kobe, be careful with that horse. It may kick you, Kobe. Don't
I
go
know.
too near.
What will kick your phone? It's like, what the Sigma are you doing?
They're running away. They're not so...
Dad, they're running from you.
Yeah.
Die, horsey. My horsey, that horse wants to kick your phone. Give him hay.
Easy, boy.
He doesn't have a saddle.
Easy.
Dad, he doesn't have a saddle. I have no idea what he's doing.
Easy, boy.
What are you talking to? You're not even near him. Hi, horsey. He has a net. He just
I
likes
bet he's
to
thinking
kick
that this
you.
camera is a food.
There's a bread. I love bread. Dad is getting eye contact. I'm not getting eye contact. Oh, slowly guys, kick it.
Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Pwede kayang hawakan to?
I like
Hindi ko alam eh.
it.
Baka sipain ako. It's kinda dirty.
I have no idea.
Good thing we did not ano.
Oh,
Come on kids, use your legs.
I am using my legs. I am using my legs. In my mouth.
And your mouth. Where we swim yesterday.
Just the infinite pool.
Yeah. I know.
The infinite pool.
I think they're all infinite pool. Pool. Sorry.
Yeah, I did. But the storage closed.
Look at the view.
Oh, look. Are you coming home?
Do you like that? Look at the view, Kobe. Yesterday is us to see ano.
Look how Calico run.
What?
Yeah.
A what?
A calico. Look, I saw a calico.
A calico.
Yeah.
A cat. Okay.
You don't know those breeds?
Of course I know it.
That's what I'm not sure what.
Morning. Look at that. Look at this view, Kobe. Look at that. Wow.
No, no, no. Let's go the other way, Dad. I'm not going to that horse race.
Ilang. It's so small. Ito pala, pwede palang hawakan tong maliit na horse. Tinanong ko sa kanila, sa nagbabantay dito. Pero daw yung mga malalaki, alanganin daw. Baka daw sipain kami. I don't know about that. I bet his mama is also small.
He's small. He looks like me. He looks like me when I was still 4 years old. Wait, did I ever eat grass? Look at the Mama Jama stare at us. He's pretending we're not. He's not. Nay. Bro, it's looking at me. Nay, nay, nay.
Wah! Wah!
Quack, quack. I'm a duck. Quack. Dad, what happens? What happens when a goose chases you?
Then they're gonna, how do I say that? Bite you?
The plants look like horses. They are. These plants are scary.
I don't
That horse thinks
know if he's happy.
I think she's mad.
I really don't know.
Oh, he's trying to look at the tail.
No.
It's not just way too much. He looks so mad.
We're back, Kobe.
Oh, the windy place.
How about we go to the to the restaurant first. That's not our room. Hi, Kobe.
I'm super late. Hi. Hi, me. Hi. Oh, look, another bamboo.
May ginagawa pa. Cobra. Yeah.
I found the monkey, guys.
Monkey.
I found the monkey. It's wearing a Mickey Mouse jacket. Hold the railing. Hold the railing. Hold the railing.
Nandito pala tayo sa zipline. Matagal na kasing nire-request ng anak kong babae to. Excited na siya. Kaso medyo natatakot siya eh. Kasi ang taas pala. Nakakalula. Siya lang. Don't check it out.
And check that letter A.
Someone will be.
Kuya, 1,000%.
Yung nervous ko. Open legs. Open legs go.
Meng, nag-video ka, Meng. Stop lang natin.
Teka, video ka lang to tapos pag ano ka na kuya.
Relax lang, ma'am. Relax lang. Huwag ka matakot. Hindi nakakatakot yun, ma'am. Ang nagkukuha sa'yo, ma'am, na sumasakay dito, ma'am. Mas maraming...
Kobe, so you're not the first kid here.
Sige. It's okay. It's normal to shake because mommy is also walking. Go first. At least you wore the gears, honey.
What?
Go, baby.
I'll give you something.
Oh wait, I'm so itchy here.
Iya mo na, walang itchy. Dali. It's better if you don't hold. Just hold your rope, honey. Hold your rope. Sige, it's okay, honey. You're not gonna fall. Sige, go.
You're moving it.
Oh, if I don't move, you're gonna be by yourself. And then you're gonna be so far away from me.
How far is this? Mama, you're what?
Anak, of course, if I walk, talagang it's gonna move. Oh, sige. Wait, let's walk together. No, don't do that, baby. Straight ahead, baby.
Right when I get
Walk.
to the middle, I get scared. Mom.
Honey, kaya mo yan. Ooh. Sige. Uy, kita mo yung bird. Look down. You see the bird?
No. Mommy?
Sige. I'll show you the trick, huh? Let's walk as fast as we can, but don't run, okay? Are you ready? Steady, and go. Right. Big steps. Go, big steps. Big step. Go.
Left.
Left. Oh, I'm here now. Hold your rope. Don't hold to the side. That's how the bridge is ano.
Cobweb.
That's how the bridge is shaking. Hold your rope. Don't hold the side, honey. Hold your rope, 2 hands. Okay, big steps. Go. 1. Go. 1. Left. Right. Hold your rope. Don't hold the side. Left. Don't look down. Sige, left.
It's right here.
Left.
It's too
Right.
far.
Sige. Don't hold to the side, sabi. That's how the ano is shaking because you're pushing it to the left. Sige. Sige, big step, honey. Big step. Big step. Big. Uy, lako.
Look at that raven.
Yeah. Go. Go. We're gonna get dark. Go. We're almost halfway through. Don't look down. If I look down, I also get scared. So,
Ayun, may nakitang gagamba yung anak ko, malaki. Umayaw.
go. Swim here. Here, Cubby, here. Go.
I'm gonna go swim to Dad. Dad, don't move. Can you go a little near, Dad?
Huh?
Nothing. Don't move. Just don't move.
Okay, yan natin. Hello.
So ayun guys, ito na pala yung end ng video natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Advice ko lang, medyo bitin pala yung overnight kasi kung nakita nyo naman, marami kaming hindi nagawang activities. Ito pala yung list ng activities ng Sinagtala. Swimming in infinity pools and lagoon pool, exploring hiking trails and river tracks, engaging in adventure park activities like car track adventure, zip lining, giant swings, and suspended air bridges. Other activities include sky biking, aerial walks, archery, and paintball shooting. Yung mga activities pala, may height and weight restriction. Kaya yung pinakamaliit kong anak, si Brian, aerial walk lang yung pwede sa kanya, saka yung cart. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits sa next vlog.